Good morning. My name is Lonnie Bowers. I work at Guaranty RV in beautiful downtown Junction City. I'm bringing you this model Torque 378 fifth wheel toy hauler. Beautiful unit, separate garage, good underbelly storage in the front, nice extra storage underneath the overhang in front. We've got an outdoor kitchen in this unit. Has a television, a grill, and a refrigerator. Nice for outside entertaining. Big awning that covers that as well as your front door. Rear entry because it is a rear garage, so you have two separate entries. Nice coach. You have what they call a party deck in the back, level, has a railing around it to keep dogs, kids, stuff from falling off the edge. Put your table and chairs out there. It does have an awning as well. Very good quality. Has Asdale in the walls, which keeps you from getting condensation and moisture in your walls, thus you're not going to get any kind of mold or mildew or even delamination at this point. I'll take you inside. You'll notice some really nice features about this coach, a little bit different than your standard toy hauler. The living area is set up completely different. It's nice. Stepping inside the 378, folks, one of the first things you're going to notice is you have a breakfast bar to your left with pull-out stools for kids or yourself. Nice big kitchen, solid surface countertops, lots of counter space, lots of storage. A big microwave convection oven. This unit has a Furrion stove and oven, which means there's no pilot light. It's all electronic ignition, which is nice. As you walk into the coach, you're also going to notice that there's a double recliner on your right that faces the television, and straight forward is going to be another double recliner. So you don't have that one long couch on the slide. Makes it more like you're sitting in your home or your apartment. Nice and comfortable. Again, a lot of storage. All four of those recliners do recline, obviously, and each one of them has a cup holder with a USB port for charging your cell phone. Kind of nice to have. You'll notice on the left of the recliner facing the door, you've got a nice big deep cabinet, and you've got the double door refrigerator, 15 cubic feet. Nice large size refrigerator and freezer. As you walk up the steps into the bedroom, you're going to notice on the right is the door to the restroom. You also have double entry from the bedroom into that restroom. Nice big open floor plan in the restroom. You also have your slide on the left is a wardrobe as opposed to being the bed slide, which gives you a lot more room on the end of the bed. And in the front of the fifth wheel is a rounded wall, gives you more space to get on either side of the bed. Plus it looks nice. Again, more like your home. The wardrobe on the left has lots of hanging space. As you walk back down the stairs and through the kitchen, you're going to notice when you walk into the back, there's a separate solid door with glass in the middle that goes into your garage. When you walk through, you're going to notice there's a queen-size bed that's power up and down in the back for extra guests. You have two couches that come in from each wall to the middle that fold down into couches. You can put a table there so it's like a booth dinette. You can also make either one of those into individual beds or make it into one big bed as well. So you got lots of extra sleeping in this coach. And it's pretty realistic that you can do a lot of different things and set it up a lot of different ways. As you walk towards the back of the coach and look forward, you're going to notice there's a bunk up above and a ladder on the right. There's also plumbing for washer and dryer if you decide to do that. So that makes it pretty convenient for a lot of folks that are going to be doing dry camping and want to be able to wash towels and such like that. It's a really nice unit, lots of space, wide open. The colors are nice. You have indirect lighting above all the cabinets in the living area. Lighting underneath the awnings, both of them, the rear and the front. Lots and lots of extra lighting in the coach. There's like 13 in the kitchen area. There's multiples in the bedroom. So you've got more lighting than you'll probably ever need. All of your lighting inside and outside of the coach is LED. Will do everything you want it to do. It's got a 13-foot garage in it, so you can put a side-by-side and some bikes or a couple quads. Very versatile for what you can use it for. I want to say again, folks, this is a really nice coach, perfect for all your needs. Ask for me. My name's Lonnie Bowers. Can't help you if you don't ask for me. I'd be happy to see you and show you everything we have, this as well as many others.